It's raining. What are you eating there, Linda?
Yogurt.
What kind of yogurt?
Fruit of the bottom.
Fruit of the bottom?
Fruit of the bottom.
That's all it says? It doesn't have any kind of name to it?
Cherry.
Cherry?
The cherry fruit of the bottom.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so tasty.
You should be in commercials. What would you tell people about buying the fruit of the bottom yogurt?
Aim for cherry.
Would you say that... Give me your spiel. You got one chance to sell fruit of the bottom. What would you say?
Aim for the fruit.
Aim for fruit. You've heard it all the way from Finland. Aim for fruit.
Yeah. Yeah, wash it off in the rain.
You having fun here?
I am. It's storming.
You having fun even though it's raining?
I am. I should be dancing in the rain.
Okay. That's where she's talking about dancing. Right there in the puddle. But, you know, look at this view here. People. Hold on. I'm a little fogged up. Sorry about that. Okay. This is the view that I have. Now, some would say this is a washed-out vacation. But they don't know how great a vacation this has been. This has been perfect. And just a little rain at the end. Look at, she just had a fruit at the bottom. Okay, we're going to sign off. Say bye-bye.